Hi, I'm Pete Secor. The pressure module from Evergreen Telemetry has many different capabilities. I'd like to show how it can be used in a room pressure setting environment, an environment perhaps of hierarchical pressures specified by the architect or mechanical engineer, perhaps for clean rooms, perhaps for hospital operating suites. I'm showing here in the Evergreen Telemetry Calibration Lab the most accurate low pressure differential pressure calibrator that the world has. Designed by NASA and now manufactured by Setra is the Model 869. The Setra is generating a differential pressure, and the pressure is being sensed by 4 pressure modules in parallel. And in the next view we will show the results that are being obtained. The Setra pressure calibrator is forcing a differential pressure, and through this tubing that differential pressure is arriving at 4 different pressure sensors, Evergreen Telemetry pressure sensors, at the same time. These are wireless pressure sensors, and wirelessly they are sending the results of all 4 to the wrist reporter for display at the same time. The pressure calibrator is driven by this little Hewlett-Packard PDA. It is both forcing and sensing 0.05, within a few 10,000ths. And with a close-up view of the wrist reporter, you can see at the upper left sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, sensor 4. Every black star that arrives is a new measurement coming in, and you can see how closely the Evergreen Telemetry pressure modules are matching what is being forced by the Setra calibrator. And if, for instance, these were deployed across a set of doors in an operating suite, and one or more of these were under negative pressures, I will just change from a positive pressure to a negative pressure. You'll see the system goes awry there for a few seconds as the pressures destabilize and then restabilize. And now you'll see that sensor number 1 is at negative 0.05 instead of positive 0.05.